Why is that party still at post? That party, why is that party still at post? Look, John Mahama, I am a ya. Too much.
Welcome to the Political Rounds with me, the voice right on Ghana 7 TV. Please like, comment, subscribe, share, turn on the notifications so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified. Abrante bia minim nidi ba minim say access no kasa no ye NDC communicator. Na ono no obeka nsem bi wo TV so. Na nsem a okaye no nsem no emu odupa. Na nsem no mu no why allegations back mienu bi or make allegations be about Dr. Dampare, a police IGP, and a lot of very, very damning allegations. And sometimes in Ghana, we don't know what we are doing. Like, we don't know the kind of risk we are taking with our media, because some of these people that we allow to come on television and radio to come and spewing nonsense at all, no. And share ya one day, we will all have ourselves to blame, because we are all quiet while these things are happening. We are all quiet. As a shinsi, government bakwa, ban bakwa asesano, like obiaye ni ope or man we musisia. Obiaye ni ope, especially with NDC media. I said there is no law, there is no order. Whatever they want is what they do, and it's so bad, so bad. How can you say obi bema nipa obi papa obi nua obi kunu na kotina TV so say Dampare no we kunkum nkrofo or the nkrofo command firing squad. Now where the National Intelligence Bureau NI before now a friend will be NI for the where the omunti where the omunti where the omante abronye koka say Scabby, ISL, Fefa, Tiankro for. Hey, something nice. I brought your car, say, Nkrofobi or what? Pamo, Muno, Musika, like I saw presidency in there. And dear, we invite him so Ombra number yan. And Nipa be say, Out Nika say, police chief. Yeah, you know, a police chief or a chief inspector of police, Dampare. And I will cook Mukrofo. Na mama say mama mpamu no de onu de on carbon biaye on carbon biaye na sometimes journalists phone so bi Ghana ha omo jimi a wodwu wa won ti ase some of the journalists omo jimi like in same day I mutimi mancrofo mutimi jancrofo a omo ka on radios ni omo television channels no e ya wodwu wa won ti ase.
Why is that party still at post? That party, why is that party still at post? Look, John Mahama onim ne ho me ya edu baby am na John Mahama sem ya me ya too much, because so ni musira nya me diama wa so so enkwasiafo so da so ma Dampare da so tigana, so it means that the another Dampare ye bia ope. Then why did we have to change the government? Obi a wakokum nipa as a nipa lie ayo firing squad wo botiano. This is public knowledge. Police say here or no timi ma command say yen send nipa line any omo firing squad e wo botiano nku omo. What are so to as IGP under you?
Okay.
Ha! Eti ye kwaya na ye bae.
Nyamene ye boafo.
Anye Nyankopon ye boafo, Nyankopon nam nipa do Mahama so. Wo se wo mema wo se o man no ye sebre. Na wo ba ya sebre na ne da so timu. I go home always being afraid, because I fear for my life. Me say the twesi wo so and I do the suom age wo car. Na when ya nkwa enya wutie di dim. Na when you say Dampare ye one of the suspects. Yeah, Namsuma ye take me car. You will have to be terrified, knowing that he is the IGP of this country.
Okay.
Sebi. Ya bo bet you to say abedonko obi a ono ye DSTV adwuma wo ye eye friend say multi TV adwuma wakobo obi this waba wabehu suppose for eye am robbery wono akwalifi akoda yakoko bu ni punani afa no abedonko ade tie abedonko ya beku no eye friend say mango tu ase ewo police headquarters ya poni tu akuno Nigeria former 12, including a pregnant woman. Ya boni tuo our police headquarters a kuno. Now you under John Mahama, John Mahama. Hey, look, me rate me ho. John Mahama onim nyame obo no. Enye me ya say John Mahama is entertaining criminals in his government. Criminals. Adam Bonanya appointment. I was John Mahama abemu. And you're not Akufo-Addo here. It's better to go back to Akufo-Addo. Adam Bona. No, that is what you like. To have one pair Akufo-Addo. Any other Bona will tell Akufo-Addo. No, why are you appointing people like Adam Bona in your government? It takes only a criminal to do that. He's a criminal. And then Adam Bona find any papa. Oh papa, you post in need dada and walk. Oh papa, or retire. Who Adam Bona will bow fear war? I know him personally. So here, Japaniano no. Japa, Niniano no. Oh, their family, Bona and Japa family no. John Mahama family no. In the Japa, I say for no.
Okay.
In the Japa, the warrior, the great warrior.
Okay, yeah.
Japa Palace Hall. Omunina Senono, Omuchi, Honesha, Omufruma, Honesha.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Obia Utimi Boni Papa, Pamini Free, if you are Yatan and Yas, where you depa? Alasadamu. How? I mean, Domama, please get serious. I'm worried. Because look, the level of insecurity in this country, you know, not John Mahama Benton, you feel say, say I'm still not secured. The level of insecurity is too much.
Now what you want yes, and as I say, even some of them cry no. Why one call journalism school that don't say way the ethical. It is not something that obi say obi nka or TV so not say reduce. But obi our friend who journalist. Also acquire journalism. Was school be when certificate to certificate of Mokra. They allow these things to be said. And it's saying, how do you want us to see policemen? Oja obi now be ka radio station TV station you say obi oye IGP no or kumkum nipa no. Who expect say ochinaichi me who policeman na me respect this policeman. This is the kind of risk we are taking. Where risk are you taking? They want to do everything possible to sack the chief inspector of police. And besides, who say, now police service. Yet me job without politics. They will do their own thing. They have a management. We can't allow them to do their own thing without political interference. And it is a omampeni biabano. Eso only on one IGP imba. Is that what we want to do? Is that the kind of foundation we are setting? Is that where we want to see this nation? Now me I am mobile. Essence say never be saying we are not the only people who have access to the internet. Other nations are watching. Other nations are watching. Our peers, Nigeria, they are watching. Togo, Burkina, Ivory Coast, they are watching. US is watching. France is watching. They are saying, say, some of these things, some of these people we allow on TV, it gives an impression. Say, yeah, your mind, you're serious. That's the kind of impression it creates. And it's sad that we are all put in one bracket. We search, sorry to say, conform with Jimmy say. And the way the NIB Mukasa Munko Pikinu Rambo Star, yes, sir, or NDC Ninti, Munko Fano, Rambo Star, daddy, on Kanya Mumpe, on my naba. Interesting times ahead. Never be a sosuno. Never be a sosuno. But China on. This has been a political rant with me, the voice right here on Ghana and Sem TV. Please like, comment, subscribe, share, turn on the notification so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified. Until then, bye bye. Cheers. See you in the next one.